Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video. Wait, don't you guys get bored of the same intro over and over and over and over and over again? Like, I say the same thing over and over again. If you guys have any ideas of what I can do for my intro that's gonna make it way more sick and rad, put it down in the comment section below. I want to hear what you guys have to say, and I might be implying it to my next videos. But yeah, today's video is going to be about just my overall portfolio. A lot has gone on today, and as you can see, my portfolio is up around 2%. It's just been wobbling because of DWT. I finally did a trade on it, and I'll be talking about it throughout today's video, and also something else I'm doing with options. But before I do get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. For those who don't know, I'm currently doing a challenge where I'm growing $200 into $1 million on the Robinhood platform right here. As you guys can see, I started off with 200. I grew it before, and now I messed it up with one options trade that I didn't know what I was doing. But here, I'm starting to actually learn what I'm doing with an option that I'm holding right here. And I'll be just talking about everything in today's video, so stay tuned and watch to the end to see what I'm planning to do with my option, because it's actually pretty interesting. You guys may be pretty controversial about it. Okay, so getting into the actual video part, as you guys can see, I don't know where I can show you guys my trades. I'm pretty sure it's right here. History. Right here, you guys can see that, okay, I tried a lot of options, but forget you saw that. So I sold one of my free stocks because it was at a really high point at $2.41. Yeah, so it was a nice profit right there. And I also sold all of my drip shares right here. I sold them at two different times. One, I sold 2 shares right here at around $9 each. And then I sold the rest at $9.02 for a sick profit of about 1.25%. I don't know exactly how much that was, but that was around $1.50 or $2 on drip. And you guys are like, what do you mean, dude? You were supposed to hold drip for like until it goes up like 50%. Well, guys, chillax. I'm going to get to that in the video. Chill. So I was looking at drip, and I don't see anything huge predicting that it's going to bounce anytime soon. It just keeps consolidating. One day it's up, one day it's down. One day it's up, one day it's down. So why not just hop on the wave? Why not just have cash right now so I can invest in other things and then hop on the wave once it starts rising and possibly hits like $10.80 or $10.50 right here. So yeah, I'm just right now, I got rid of it because I just saw that it was pretty overbought, and I'm like, you know what, screw it. I just made a 1% profit on this, and if it ends up boosting up and going in the direction I want it to, confirming the uptrend, then for sure I'll buy the stock and no problemo from there, and I'll make some nice profits as well. And yeah, I'm also planning to trade TQQQ pretty soon. As you guys can see, it's consolidating for a while already. And as you guys can see, I said I'm going to be planning to buy on the dips right here. A dip right here, dip. And right now, I see that there's going to be a dip probably next week or maybe the latest after next week. So right now, you guys can see that it consolidates around the high area, high points. All right, so this is from March 11th to March 21st. So that's around 10 days. It consolidates. So right here, it's been around the high point from April 1st to April 12th. So it's been around 10 days already. And it looks like it could dip down anytime. And when it does, bam, we're buying in. And we're taking the nice 10% profit once it shoots back up. And bam, 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 that's our next swing trade potential that I'm looking forward to. I'm raising my portfolio value pretty nicely. The past week it's been about break even, but I've been working on it, and I think it's going pretty decent. And here's the part that you all were waiting for: how Casper is gonna mess his whole account up with options again, but not. So turns out with the GE option, I'm gonna look at GE stock because obviously the option's based on the stock. Today it barely moved. It barely moved at all. And I'm still looking for the slight bounce up, which may happen tomorrow or Monday. And I don't really want to hold it over the weekend, but if I have to, I will. And for those who don't know, this option is decaying at around, according to the Greeks, it's decaying like 0.86 cents every day. So I'm basically losing almost 1 cent every day if I hold it overnight, which is not huge. It's $1. But I'm waiting for like a spike up potential that will, if GE spikes up, it'll possibly move up by 50 to 300% if it does end up shooting up like I think it will. And we just have to wait and see for that. I hope tomorrow I can get rid of it, just because I'm still not very experienced with options, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. So you guys know I'm not gonna try to blow my account again. Yeah, so yeah, that's what's happening with GE right here. I hope you guys see what I'm doing and you guys don't hate in the comments, because I love that hate. Just kidding, no I don't. But yeah, if you guys think Casper right here isn't gonna blow his account and you actually have faith in me that I might actually be okay at options if I trade at it moderately, like not much, then just smash that like button below and say in the comment section, Casper, I believe in you. I believe you won't blow up your whole account, because that's just some huge motivation for me. So yeah, that's just gonna be it for today's video. But wait, there's more. For those who are, I don't know if anyone's still watching this video. If you're watching to the end, thumbs up to you. Thanks for watching to the end. You guys are huge supporters. But for those who are watching to the end and are new to investing, Robinhood actually has a oh my gosh, why can't I speak? Robinhood actually has a sort of promotion going on right now where if you invite a friend to start trading stocks on Robinhood, then you receive a free stock, and the person who invited you also receives a free stock. And as you guys can see, I received a good amount of free stocks right here. This is around 8 free stocks so far. And if you guys would like to join, oh, that's 7 free stocks. But if you guys would like to join Robinhood, you also receive a free stock, and that free stock could even be Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, Facebook, GE, Ford, Snapchat. The possibilities are limitless. And there's a possibility you can get Apple stock, which is worth like $200, and why not just use someone's link to sign up to show that like you're a big supporter of Robinhood or whatever. It doesn't take any more info or whatever crap. It's just free, so why not do it? That's just gonna be it for today's video. If you guys are new to trading, feel free to use that link. You don't have to use mine, you could use someone else's, but I recommend you get a free stock just to boost your earnings when you first start investing. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.